Hello fans, followers, customers, I welcome you today in the dyno room from HPerformance GmbH to show you one of our latest products. Today we have an RS3 8v1 as a representative for the steel block generation, which we equipped with a new product that we are going to release now. We have here the TC870 700 horsepower kit, which we release now for the steel block generation RS3 8v1, RS3 8P, TTRS Mark I. So this kit is a complete kit that you get for your RS3, TTRS to bring this car to a 700 horsepower level. This means all parts that you need to get 700 horsepower in one of these steel block generation engines is in the box. So you get all parts to get a virgin car to a 700 horsepower level. Also for the RS3 8v1, we are going to release soon the remote flashing software, so you get our HPerformance remote flashing tool to flash this car externally everywhere in the world. This means you can have the 700 horsepower, but also the 500, 550, 600, 650 and like here, the 700 horsepower kit to install this anywhere in the world for any engine, for the CZGB as well as for the CEPB, CEPA, and you can flash tune your car as well. So this makes things much easier and you get the whole package in one bundle. What we wanted to see now, just have a little look at the engine bay. As I said, this is the 700 horsepower basic kit. You have the 870XT as the heart of the kit, the turbo inlet pipe, the 90mm inlet system. You have the hybrid fuel pump, the new HPerformance Sport Series intercooler for this model. Also available for the 8J and the 8P. Every platform has its own intercooler now. Downpipe, oil water lines, everything you need, every screw, every sealant, everything you need to put this into the car. It's designed from mechanics for mechanics, so you have everything in the box to go. Now let's see 870XT. What is the power output of the 700 horsepower kit? And we just want to show you the graph and see how it performs. Also, we will later make acceleration tests on the street to see how does a stock weight 20-inch wheels and a complete full weight car perform with that 700 horsepower kit on the street. So now let's get into the car, make a dyno run and see how it performs. Before we start the pull, again, ventilation active. And say yes, we want to make another measuring. Very important for us is to give the customer understanding of how simple these kits are. You just get all parts in a box, install them into your car and can get the same performance than we do. And on the 8v1 especially, you can also get the remote flash tune dongle, so you even get the software to have 100% guarantee to achieve the same power that we have here as well. So, extraction and ventilation is on, just warm the car up a little bit. Get to dynamic mode. So we are ready for measuring. Just warm up a little bit. And the cool things with these kits, they start at 450 horsepower and then you can build them stepwise, block for block, block for block, until you have the biggest available kit, which is the 700 horsepower kit, which we have here. You can also extend this kit with an inlet manifold. You can get in camshafts, you can get in whatsoever race series intercooler instead of sport. You can build them step by step up, but this, like I said, 700 horsepower kit, like we show you after the video, what is included in the kit. So now let's just make a measuring and see what does the car really perform on the dyno. Fourth gear, car warm, everything ready, so let's go. Measuring the loss factor. And 703 horsepower, 861 Newton meters directly in the first attempt. So as you can see, it's a real 700 horsepower version. And we have to mention that the tune for this car is very conservative. We have reproducible power in the setups. This is not a squeezed out setup. For those who know a little bit about it, we drive around 60% wastegate unicycle, so we don't really stress the system. We have way more air in it, but we don't need it, so it's very reliable and you can continuously drive and ask for the power, and the car delivers as these setups are not stretched over the limit. So now let's go to the street and see how the car performs on the street and what power level we can achieve and what performance level 100 to 200 in seconds we can have. So let's go to Mexico and check. Thank you, see you later.